we are currently working with a leading developer of industrial additive manufacturing solutions, headquartered out in Germany, that is now looking for its new UK sales manager, initially focused on developing and pushing forward sales here in the UK, and over time the role has the opportunity to manifest more into a general manager's position leading the wider team. The client here is really focused on identifying professionals who have experience in solution-focused sales across a variety of industries, sectors such as aerospace, automotive, medical device, general manufacturing would appeal, and ideally what we are looking for is somebody experienced in selling high-value, low-volume capital equipment into those sectors. People involved in areas such as injection molding equipment or precision machining solutions there would be ideal due to the experience focused around average order value and average sales times. So this would be a home-based position. It offers a very competitive salary, and it would be a fantastic opportunity for somebody involved in more conventional machining sales to move into this highly exciting and expanding area of additive manufacturing, and to be able to do so with a highly reputable brand within this industry. If this position sounds like it would be something that would appeal to you, then please feel free to make contact with myself confidentially, and we can have a discussion where I can provide you further insights to the role.